Forget basic power tools. Flex's 20 innovative tools bring professional-grade cutting, drilling, and grinding performance that'll change how you work. Here's what makes them special. Your projects deserve nothing less than excellence. All right, picture this. You're wrapping up a trim job, tackling soffits, or working on fascia, and you need precision without the hassle. That's where the Flex 24-volt brushless 15-gauge angled finish nailer steps in. No hoses, no compressors, just pure game-changing power. This nailer fires up to 3 nails per second with 0 ramp-up. It's cordless, powered by a 2.5-amp battery that drives 12,200 nails on a single charge. That's serious runtime. Plus, you've got a quick depth adjustment lever for precision and tool-free jam clearance. No more delays if something gets stuck. The extras? Triple LED lights brighten up dark spots, and the dry fire lockout prevents damage when you're out of nails. It's compact, lightweight, and handles tight spaces like a pro. For finishers and DIYers, this nailer means business. No hoses, no hassle. Struggling with tight spaces and heavy tools? The Flex 24V half-inch compact impact wrench is here for the save. This lightweight powerhouse delivers 610 Newton-meters of nut-busting torque, making demanding jobs a breeze. It's 38% lighter than bulkier models, so no more fatigue. Smart modes like bolt auto stop and bolt removal prevent over-tightening and make bolt loosening effortless. Plus, 360 degrees LED illumination with adjustable brightness ensures you never miss a detail, even in the dark. Powered by a 3.5-amp stacked lithium battery, it packs 200% more power, 300% longer runtime, and charges 100% faster with a 160W fast charger. Available as a full kit or tool only, this compact impact wrench is the cordless solution for pros and DIYers alike. Ever tried drilling in tight spaces and felt like you needed a magic wand? Get introduced to the Flex FX-3124 right-angle drill, the ultimate tool for confined jobs. With almost 190 Newton-meters of torque and a turbo mode that cranks up to 1,650 RPM, it powers through dense materials like a pro. Safety? Covered. The anti-kickback tech keeps things stable while the magnesium gearbox delivers durability without the bulk. Add in an ergonomic handle, a rafter hook, and compatibility with Flex's high-performance batteries, and you're set. From electricians to plumbers, this drill turns tight spaces into easy wins. Compact, powerful, and built to last, it's surely your next go-to tool. Struggling with uneven cuts or limited angles while working on your projects? It's time to upgrade. Meet the Flex 24-volt brushless 12-inch dual-bevel sliding miter saw, your powerhouse solution to precision and versatility. Designed for precision and portability, this cordless saw packs serious power with the Flex stacked lithium advantage, giving you 200% more power and 300% longer runtime. On a 10-amp-hour battery, you're getting up to 630 crosscuts in 3x4-inch MDF. That's all-day performance. No cord required, the features are next level. The fast shift bevel lever makes angle changes quick and precise, while the LED shadow light lines up your blade perfectly with the cut line. And for longer materials, table extensions have your back. With a 4,000 RPM motor, a smooth 12-inch blade, and a quick miter lock system, this saw is dialed in for accuracy and efficiency. Whether you're a pro or a DIY woodworker, this miter saw is all about making clean, precise cuts anywhere you need them. Imagine renovating your living room. You're ready to install new crown molding to add that perfect touch of elegance. That's where the Flex FX-3124 brushless 3x8-inch stapler steps in. It's cordless, fast, and efficient. First off, it drives up to 3 staples per second, which is crazy fast. No ramp-up time, no waiting around. It's powered by a 2.5-amp battery, good for 5,000 staples per charge. That's an easy full workday. For details, you've got a power adjustment dial for precise depth, dual LEDs to light up your workspace, and a dry fire lockout, so no blanks when the staples run out. Plus, it's compact, lightweight, and built for tight spaces. This is a pro-level tool that means business. Flex calls it the advantage, and now you know why. Ever struggled with tangled hoses or the constant hum of compressors while tackling molding and trim work? It's frustrating and slows you down. That's where the Flex 24-volt brushless 16-gauge angled finish nailer comes in, a cordless game-changer that eliminates the hassle and delivers seamless, efficient performance every time. This nailer fires up to 3 nails per second with zero ramp-up. Powered by a 2.5 amp-hour battery that delivers 1,500 nails on a single charge. That's seriously impressive runtime for a tool this size. The depth adjustment lever is smooth and precise. And if you hit a jam, tool-free clearance has you covered in seconds. The triple LEDs illuminate tight spots, and the dry fire lockout protects both your work and the tool. It's compact, lightweight, and built for all-day comfort. Whether you're a pro on a job site or tackling a big DIY project, this tool delivers next-level performance with no strings attached. Sick of cords and limited cutting power? Enter the Flex FX-3124 table saw, a cordless beast built for serious cutting tasks. With a 20.5-inch left and 25-inch right rip capacity, it's perfect for plywood and OSB. Precision? Check the rack and pinion fence system delivers spot-on alignment every time. Visibility? The LED fence work light has you covered and is rechargeable via USB-C. Need more juice? Pair it with the Flex 24-volt power adapter for continuous runtime. And with a no-load speed of 6,000 RPM and a 25x8-inch max cutting depth, it's pro-level performance in a compact design. Available as a full kit or tool only, this table saw is a cordless game-changer for pros and DIYers alike. Meet the Flex Stack Pack 3-piece storage system, a rugged, versatile solution for professionals and DIYers alike. With a quick connect interlocking system, stack and unstack your toolboxes in seconds to customize your setup. Built tough with impact-resistant polypropylene and aluminum-reinforced corners, it handles up to 100 kilograms with ease. Plus, IP65 rated protection keeps your gear safe from dust and water, no matter the environment. Need mobility? The 9-inch rugged wheels and a telescoping handle let you roll across any terrain effortlessly. This 3-piece system includes a rolling toolbox, medium toolbox, suitcase toolbox, removable trays, and organizer cases with dividers. Compact yet spacious, it's the ultimate all-weather, all-terrain storage for your tools. Say hello to the Flex FX-3124 trim router, a cordless precision powerhouse for woodworking. Whether you're finishing furniture, cabinetry, or cutting openings in plywood, this tool's got you covered. At its heart is a 1.5 max horsepower brushless motor that keeps up a constant speed under load, delivering smooth and reliable performance. Speed control? Check. The variable speed dial offers 6 settings from 16,000 to 31,000 RPM, so you can dial it in for any material. Depth adjustments? Spot on. The quick-release collars let you tweak cutting depth down to 1/64 inch, while the Quick Adjust Edge Guide makes parallel cuts a breeze. And the spindle stop system? Safe and fast bit changes, no stress. It's lightweight at 1.6 kilograms, compact and cordless, giving you ultimate freedom in your workspace. Add in the 3.5 amp-hour stacked lithium kit, and you're good to go all day. Cutting through tough materials? Get yourself the Flex FX-2351Z Deep Cut Bandsaw, a cordless beast designed to handle demanding jobs with precision and ease. Its high-power, brushless motor rips through large PVC pipes, angle iron, and up to 4-inch black iron pipes effortlessly. With a 5-inch cutting capacity and tool-free quick adjustment shoe, it's built for versatility. The variable speed control lets you dial in the perfect speed, while the LED work light ensures accuracy even in low-light conditions. Weighing just 5.5 kg with a lightweight magnesium housing, it's durable without weighing you down. Pair it with any Flex 24-volt battery for extended runtime. Whether you're a pro or a DIYer, this bandsaw is your go-to for clean, precise cuts. Flex makes cutting effortless. Got a tough job that needs cutting, trimming, sanding, or scraping. The Flex FX-3124 oscillating multi-tool kit is your all-in-one solution. With up to 20,000 orbits per minute and a 3D Starlock connection, it maximizes power transfer for efficient, precise performance. Advanced vibration suppression keeps you comfortable during extended use, and the keyless blade eject makes swapping blades quick and safe. No need to touch hot surfaces. Add in an LED work light for low-light precision, and this tool is built for any challenge. The kit includes a 2.5 amp battery, a 160W fast charger, and a range of blades, all packed into a durable flex bag. Compatible with all Flex 24-volt batteries, this cordless powerhouse is ready to tackle whatever comes your way. Got a tough grinding job in a tight spot? That's where the Flex FX-3124 die grinder shines. This cordless powerhouse hits up to 28,000 RPM for precision carving, deburring, and grinding where angle grinders can't go. With 4 adjustable speed modes that range from 10,000 to 28,000 RPM, you get total control for every task. Safety? The anti-kickback tech has your back. Add a spindle lock for quick accessory swaps and a lightweight ergonomic design that's easy on your hands, even during long sessions. Compatible with all Flex 24-volt batteries, it's versatile, powerful, and built for pros. Whether you're a DIYer or a seasoned grinder, this tool gets the job done where others can't. When precision matters, Flex delivers. Sanding rusty metal or refinishing furniture. Meet the Flex FX-3124 Random Orbital Sander, the cordless tool built for heavy-duty jobs. With turbo mode cranking up to 13,000 orbits per minute, it eats through material fast, boosting productivity. Powered by a sensor-free brushless motor, it's efficient, smooth, and built to last. Pair it with a 3.5 amp-hour stacked lithium battery for up to 30 minutes of runtime on speed 3. Its low-profile design ensures comfort and control during extended use, while a dust and water-resistant switch keeps it durable. At just a kilogram, this 24-volt sander is as lightweight as it is powerful. Whether you're a pro or a DIY enthusiast, it's the perfect cordless solution for sanding like a pro. Flex makes it easy to finish strong. Need a drill that doesn't mess around? The Flex FX-1271T half an inch 2-speed hammer drill is packed with features that mean business. Turbo mode cranks the speed up to 2,500 RPM with 158 Newton-meters of torque, so it's perfect for heavy-duty drilling or driving. The anti-kickback keeps things safe if you hit a jam, and the full metal ratcheting chuck holds bits super tight. Plus, the sensor-free brushless motor is efficient and durable, while the LED work light makes low-light jobs way easier. It's available in kits with stacked lithium batteries or as a tool-only option, and it works with all Flex 24-volt batteries. For DIY or pro-level tasks, this drill just gets it done, simple, powerful. Ever struggled to keep your tools organized and protected on the job? The Flex Stack Pack storage system is here to solve that. Built tough with an impact-resistant polypropylene body and aluminum-reinforced corners, it's durable enough for any job site. The Quick Connect interlocking system lets you stack and unstack toolboxes in seconds, creating a customizable setup. With IP65 all-weather protection, your tools stay safe from dust and water. Need mobility? The rolling toolbox features rugged 9-inch wheels and a telescoping handle to tackle any terrain. Available as a 3-piece kit or individual modules like the organizer box and 3-drawer toolbox. It's perfect for professionals and DIYers. From storage to transport, the Stack Pack has you covered, making your work easier, smarter, and faster. Need a single kit to tackle any job? The Flex 24-volt Power Tool Combo Kit has you covered. Featuring a reciprocating saw, oscillating multi-tool, half-an-inch 2-speed drill driver, and a 1/4-inch hex impact driver, this set brings serious versatility to the job site. The reciprocating saw hits up to 3,000 SPM with orbital cutting and keyless blade eject, while the multi-tool delivers 20,000 OPM for precision cutting and fast blade changes. The drill driver delivers almost 85 Newton-meters of torque, and the impact driver maxes out at 203 Newton-meters with 3,400 RPM for heavy-duty fastening. With two 2.5 amp lithium-ion batteries, a 160W fast charger, and Flex's signature 24-volt cross compatibility, you're ready to conquer any challenge. Flex doesn't just bring power, it flexes on delivering solutions. Looking for a tool that handles tough drilling like a pro? The Flex FX-3124 24-volt brushless 7/8" SDS Plus rotary hammer is built to dominate demanding jobs. Compact, lightweight, and perfect for overhead drilling, it reduces fatigue while still packing a punch. With 1.7 Newton-meters of impact energy, it's got 4 modes: drilling, hammer drilling, chiseling, and chisel adjustment, making it a multitasking beast. The brushless motor ensures constant speed and efficiency, and the integrated LED light keeps you precise even in low-light conditions. Need runtime? Drill up to 75 holes in industrial concrete on a single charge with a 5 amp-hour battery. Whether it's concrete, steel, or wood, this rotary hammer delivers. Flex practically flexes on serious work. And there you have it, 20 Flex power tools that prove the future of job site innovation is already here.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.